Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add Facebook pixel on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to access your Facebook Business Manager. So log into your Facebook Business Manager account at business.facebook.com. If you don't have one, create a Business Manager account and set up your Facebook pixel within it. Okay? The next thing you need to do is to generate your Facebook pixel code. So to do that, in your Facebook Business Manager, navigate to the Events Manager section, select Pixels, and then click on Create a Pixel. Follow the prompts to set up your Facebook pixel. Once created, you will receive a unique pixel code. So now copy the pixel code. So copy the entire pixel code that Facebook provides. It usually starts with this code and starts with this code and ends with this code. Okay, make sure to copy the entire code. After that, access your Shopify admin. So log into your Shopify admin account. Now go to online store settings. So from your Shopify admin, go to online store in the left hand menu and select preferences. Now scroll down to the Facebook pixel section. So in the Facebook pixel section, paste the Facebook pixel code you've copied earlier into the Facebook pixel ID field. Now save the changes. Click on the Save button to save the changes you made. Check the pixel installation. To verify that the Facebook pixel is properly installed, you can use the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension. Install the extension in your preferred browser and visit your Shopify store. The extension will show if the Facebook pixel is active and correctly installed on your site. Now this is an optional action. So set up additional Facebook pixel events. So if you want to track specific events on your Shopify store, such as purchases or add to cart actions, you can set up additional Facebook pixel events. This can be done either through the Events Manager in your Facebook Business Manager or by using the Facebook Pixel app in the Shopify App Store. So by following these steps, you should be able to successfully add the Facebook pixel to your Shopify store and start tracking valuable data for your Facebook advertising campaigns. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.